Hi, my name's Kathy, and I'm here to talk to you about the Rolladen rolling shutters. We had a few years ago, we had a series of break-ins during the day, and my husband and I like to travel, so for safety reasons, being here and sleeping and traveling, we can shut the whole house up and be completely locked in. All right, so one of the safety features that we have on this that we really enjoy is that, as you can see, when these are partially open, there is a little gap. So fresh air in the evening can come through, and then when it's all the way down and in its channel, it's locked in. This closes up so nobody can get in. Okay, one of the features they have is you can also have a pole that you insert into this gadget that they've got here, and you just lower your shades or your blinds or roll them up. And it's very easy to just go ahead and then you just put your pole away for convenience. The experience was good. Actually, we were gone for the first, they did it in 2 phases. We were gone for the first phase, so my daughter was able to be here and watch. They were nice, polite, on time, and had the work done exactly when they said they were going to have it done. They were very professional. Anytime we had a question, we were able to call and contact somebody, and they were out here immediately if we had an issue. So yes, I would recommend them to anybody.